Hello guys, today we learn how to do memory management in C. For this we have required Visual Studio Code, MinGW compiler and C++ extension installed in Visual Studio Code. Now let us understand. Memory management or memory allocation is the process by which computer programs are assigned to physical or virtual memory space. The memory allocation can be done either before or at the time of program implementations. There are two techniques for memory allocations. One is static memory allocation and other is dynamic memory allocations. Now you can see in the diagram like memory management and C, static memory and dynamic memory. In static memory you can define like example integer age, name, character 100. So in static memory, we know the length and initialized them. In dynamic memory, it can be achieved through dynamically. What is the function? This function like malloc, calloc, reloc, and free functions through you can achieve the dynamic memory. Now, first understand what is static memory allocations. The compiler allocates a fixed amount of memory during compile time, and the operating system internally uses a data structure known as stack to manage the memory. Exact memory requirement must be known in advance as memory is allocated, it cannot be changed. Like if you define integer months, need to be initialized or assign some value at runtime like month equal to tens, and here you can see integer age normal variable, and we can define age 0 and constant integer max age 60, constant cannot be changed. So here you can see static memory can be done, and we know. So here you can see allocation can be done through the simple example. Now here we understand dynamic memory allocations. In dynamic memory allocation, system memory is managed at dynamic memory management in C programming language is performed using the malloc, calloc, reloc, and free functions. These four functions are defined in the standard library header file like stdlib.h. It uses the heap space of the system memory. Now see what is calloc. Dynamic, dynamically allocates an array of memory blocks of specified type, and here you can see free dynamically reallocates memory at runtime, and malloc allocates a block of memory in the heap but does not initialize. Reloc reallocates a block of memory that was previously allocated. Now here you can see for example character name 50. To store a name of any person, it can go up to maximum of 50 characters. No idea about the length of the text you need to store. We need to define a pointer to character without defining how much memory is required and later. Based on the requirement, we can allocate memory as shown in the below. Like here we can see the below example. Include studio.h, include stdlive.h and string.h. Here is the main function. Here we define character name of 50, character array variable name, and here define character pointer descriptions, type pointer type, and define a character. Now here we store like strcpy name imali have stored in the name variable. Now I want to allocate memory dynamically, so here you define descriptions equal to malloc 200 size of character. Here you can define in place of char like byte, but It is very fully defined size of characters because it can be changed upon the systems like 64, 32 bits. So if it is systems equal to null, a printf, here you can see unable to allocate required memory. You can print it. Now strcpy description emali adp student class 12. Now I want to print both name and description. So printf name percent s and new line and name and printf descriptions percent s and new line description. So here you can see name Imali and description Imali adp student in class of 12. So here you can see here we are using malloc function. Now this open Visual Studio and you can see here same program here. This is header files and here you can see character name 50 name character variable strcpu hold the value of name and after allocation of dynamic memory decision malloc extend my memory location here define 200 into size of character 200 blocks 200 for this that is fixed and here you can see printf and printf description and now run these programs. So you can see the output when you run the program Imali. So here you can achieve dynamic memory through the malloc functions. Same program can be written using calloc function. Only this thing you need to replace malloc with calloc. Calloc use content resizing and release. Operating system automatically release all the memory allocated by your program, but as a good practice, when you are not need of memory anymore, then you should release the memory by calling the function free. Also, you can increase or decrease the size of allocated memory block by calling function relock and make user relock and then free. So here you can see the same program. After this, here you define. Suppose you want to store bigger decisions and this is equal to relock and description 115 to size of character. Here you define 25 now and now here you can see strcat. It will concatenate up previous like CG in the class of 12 and now I want to printf and name decisions. So when we print this variable name Imali first and second Imali DP student and stage class 12. So here you can see the log function used to allocate additional memory, bigger size. And here also I have used free function which will free release the memory using a free functions. Now also you can so here you can see we can achieve dynamic memory allocation, static memory allocation through an example. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.